Hi, I'm Dave Solly. I'm the Product Manager for Perimeter Security. Today we're going to build a fence with the new K20 pivot mount tensioner. Some of the things that are a little bit different that you'll notice immediately. Post mount, we no longer use hooks and screws. We've got a moulded post mount, and then the tensioner, which can cope with a variety of strain elevations, angles, so it's suitable for any strain point. Continuous spring, and then the nice new class clamp. Today we're just going to show you a couple of quick little things about how the new K20 pivot mount tensioner assembles onto the fence. The advantage of the post mount is it'll actually clamp onto the post with a little self-threading clamp on there and do itself up nice and tight. You can put the post mount on either way, that way or that way, but from a security perspective it's probably best to have the screw covered by the insulator. Now we're going to connect the tensioner to the post. It's pretty simple and self-explanatory. It's basically pop it through, push the pin in, and it's done. Now we'll connect the springs. The springs are a little bit different to what we're used to. You've got a hooked end here with a crank in it, so you need to feed the hook through the pawl, over, turn it around, and drop it through the hole in the bolt. So to fit the wires, very simple. Through the centre of the pawl, through the back of the tensioner, get your 8mm ratchet. So now we'll connect the wire to the spring, through the slot on the back of the spring, pull it round, up the back side, and then tie it off. And then we just tighten up the grub screw, which will clamp the spring and the wire together nice and tight, creating a good solid electrical connection. Okay, so now we'll tension the fence. It's at the opposite end to the spring. Use an 8mm socket or an 8mm ring spanner and just wind it until you get approximately 7.5 kilos of tension. Okay, now we're going to configure the fence. So remove the nut and then fit the tensioner link over. Ring spanner over top, socket on. You can do them up to approximately maximum of 15 Newton meters.